Hi, good morning. My name is Papri Bose Dasgupta, and I have been associated with this Inspira for the last 4 months. Before that, I have been associated with teaching in an offline mode. But for the last 4 months, all the mentors and all the teachers of Inspira helped me how to do the online mode of teaching. I learned a lot of things how to do the online mode of teaching because I was not at all aware about it 4 months back. So it was a wonderful experience working with them. They have Club Inspira as well, where I can share my feedback, share my thoughts as well. I reply to others' thoughts. It's a very good platform. At the same time, here you have also opportunities for a lot of additional incomes, and you have a flexibility of timings. Whenever you want to change your time, your slots, they will give you all flexibilities. So the trainers are really hats off to all the trainers. Thank you very much for giving me such a wonderful platform. I would love to be with you forever. Thank you very much.